All right, time now for Kosir's Corner. And if you live in the Northeast, you know this has not been a nonchalant winter. It has been long and tough. I decided to ask people in the Big Apple what they think of getting hit with another snowstorm just 1 month out from the start of spring. This is what they said. It's been a long, cold winter, right? A lot of snow. Another storm system, more snow is possibly coming in this weekend. How do you feel about that? Do you like the idea of more snow, or are you tired of it?
I love it because I'm a big skier.
I'm tired of it. I want summer. I am done.
Would you want the weather to break today if it could and go to spring right now?
Yes, definitely. I want spring now.
I think my back can't take any more shoveling. Usually the neighbors need help too. So,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Double duty.
It was a 5-hour ordeal last time, so.
I am okay because my kids can have fun with the snow, so that we can go go to the mountain and snowboard a little bit, But other than that, I don't like snow.
I'm over it, frankly. I just wish we could just get rid of the snow that's still melting in Long Island and the New York area, much less welcome new snow. So I'm done, honestly.
What do you think? Do you want another winter storm? Would you like to see one in the Northeast or no?
No, I'm ready for the spring to come.
Yeah. Me too.
I am.
I've been ready, actually. I was ready January 1st.